कि khubor ka bate si TV. Lawan Rashapi taka Frank Motors. Booking open for the new Nexon. Visit Frank Motors or call 7045207973.
MIT University of Meghalaya. Our admissions are now open for the academic year 2024-25. Explore our best courses. Experience global collaborations. Apply today.
Keterangan Public Health Engineering jaga Sarkar Meghalaya mendakasngi kelaraki ke World Water Day araja apusau. Haususot ham auditorium Shillong baka pang pedeng minta usnam ke Water for Peace. Ubat DP Waklang ubadi Chief Secretary Luan Manshim ya kebenta kumu Kongsan haringkat bu Dr. Shakil P. Ahmed Additional Chief Secretary kumu Sumut Kongsan haga jinon lang Usayed MD A. Razi Commissioner and Secretary PHE Meghalaya kekong BM Lindam Chief Engineer PHE Meghalaya Shillong. Habakaran kumu Kongsan ubat DP Waklang ula banjir ya ke jinon kam ke haga jing im jang Gibreu.
You know, the most beautiful city in the world as we speak today is perhaps Cape Town. It's right at the top of the pecking order. Cape Town in South Africa is a beautiful city where you have the mountains, where you have the sea, where you have the plains, everything is there in that place, but unfortunately there is no water now. People are moving out of that beautiful city, coming to India. One of the most beautiful cities in India is Bangalore, and you have seen in social media what happened in Bangalore. People are struggling for water. There is no proper drinking water system and water tankers. People are sitting on top of the water tankers, fighting, struggling for water. The third thing we have to understand, and the last point I would like to make is that 25 countries in the world are highly water stressed. These countries include our neighbors. Therefore, it is important that we take care of our own water ecosystem. The neighboring countries are going to suffer because of unplanned activities. We in our country, we need to plan properly to ensure that there is no stress as far as water management is concerned. Therefore, in conclusion, World Water Day serves as a timely reminder of all the transformative power of water and its capacity to foster peace, prosperity, and progress. As we celebrate the beauty and bounty of water, let us commit ourselves to the noble cause of ensuring access to clean water for all, leaving no one behind. Together, let us build a world where water flows freely, nurturing life and sowing the seeds of peace and harmony.
Thank you very much, ma'am. Request all participants to be on stage for a photograph. Celia. Third prize, Saint Dominic and Group. Outside, I request everybody to kindly do visit them after this. Third place winners, M prize winner, Amphius Nongrum. Winner for 10K above 18 years female, Pernai Kendai. prize winner is Marquinles Ramsey. Second prize winner is Pernai Kendai. And third prize winner is Darishisha Yangjo. Darishisha Consolation Prize Male. Prize Male. The first prize goes to Badon Singh Tham. Fourth prize, created extreme athletic ability to be able to run, and I'm sure they have drunk a lot of water as well, which is the need of Bihar. And the fifth prize winner for consolation is Kendrick Harpur. Rina Jasain. Fourth prize, Snora Rani. Let's encourage our winners who are running and are able to run 10 kilometers in a matter of 54 to 10. Johnson Ramsey. And third prize winner, Bines Karlingdog. They are being given a prize money of 5,000, 3,000 and 2,000 rupees respectively. Second prize winner, mind you, they are all under 18 years and began by shouting and clapping as loud as possible for them.